Welcome to my crib. Vacation vlog day 1.
Day 1.
So guys, when you first walk in, you got 1, 2, 3 closets, and oh, mom's in the toilet. Okay.
Show my
then
nice
in the
bed.
bathroom, so you got a nice bowl. You got some shelves, and then life hack.
Make sure you bring over the door shoe organizer.
Where'd you get it from?
Walmart.
Look at that. You put all your stuff inside, so it's so much easier and so much more organized. This is my row, obviously. But yeah, pretty good idea, Mom.
Thanks.
You got some room over here. This is a pull-out, right?
No, that's just a bed.
It's just a sofa bed. And the bunk bed pulls out. You got a chair. You got a mirror. You got a TV. You got an old man sleeping on the sofa. And then you have the balcony view, the $1 million view. At Port Canaveral.
Terminal 6.
What cabin are we?
Cabin number.
Oh, Terminal 6.
Cabin number is 1484. Pop out.
What time did we get here, Daddy-o? We got here at 11 o'clock. What do we do?
We ate.
We ate some good stuff.
Ringer.
What else did we do?
Explored the ship.
Since we booked the fun ship, what's it called?
That's really fun.
Faster to the Fun. We got on the cruise ship like second.
Our luggage first.
Luggage first, so we
room
ended up coming to the room first. We undid everything. We got some nice food since we're on the ship most. Yeah, the mustard thing soon. Yeah. So. Okay, so our loving mother and father got me and Jessica over there some candy from the onboard ship, candy store ship thingy. It's called Cherry on Top. They got us pretzels. How do you feel about the pretzels? What kind of it? Yogurt, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate, right?
Yeah.
1 out of 10.
Assorted mix, I give it an 8.5, but without the yogurt, not a big yogurt, chocolate, whatever fan. I would give it, I think, probably 9.5.
9.5. That's a pretty good rating. How about you?
Actually, pretty much the opposite. I gave them a 9, but I don't like dark chocolate, so I'm gonna give it an 8.5.
That's very the yogurt instead of dark chocolate. That's very good. Very good ratings. Then we got these gummy funnels, which we haven't tried yet, but I remember last year we tried them. Yeah, let's break them open. Here, break them open. Last year we tried these, and they were really good. They taste like gummy bears, but they like shaped as the whale tail. Like, you can't see it. Yes, you can. And then we got these chocolate bars. As you can see, we already opened one. It's cute packaging. I like this one. This one's cool. But what do you guys rate the chocolate? I give it like an. Probably like an 8.
7.5.
It's very creamy.
Between 7.5 and an 8 as well.
Oh my god. Is that a fire on the ship?
Don't say that.
Anyway, so you said, what did you say? 7?
7.5, 8. What is this for?
I think they were pretty good. Smile.
Ladies, are you feeling it? Ladies, make some noise right now.
Waiting is the deck plan.
It's also available on the app.
Yes, the app. We are, yeah, Promenade 5. That's where we're going. Forward. There's sushi. There's a bar, which Jessica cannot go to. Because Jessica's 12.
You're 14.
That's true. This is a area, I guess, for like
Is it
singing.
an area, you guys?
For singing.
Cute.
I think. We're moving. The barbecue's gone. There's a view. The Coast Guard's still next to us. Guys. That's the Coast Guard? No, it's not. Never mind. They're just coming at us. It's coming at us. Ball because it's Carnival Sunshine.
Yes, to illustrate the sun.
Sun. I think all like colored for it. That's cool.
The bar and tables are orange.
Oh yeah, yeah.
To illustrate the sunshine.
I forgot to mention we are on Carnival Cruise Sunshine. Leave him never was. Caroline, bum bum bum. Never seemed so good. Oh, that was so nice, right? And two. Woo! If you guys don't want to cruise, always bring a lanyard so you can put your cruise card on there. So you always have on you and it won't be impossible to lose it. We'll have that. And then also bring a power strip because the outlets is only 2 outlets per room and they're really tiny.
And a night light so you can see at night.
Yeah, my mom needs a night light, so always bring a night light. But yeah, other than that, there's 4 hacks that you gotta know so far. Shoe thing behind the door for the accessories. Lanyard, power outlet, and what was the thing you just said? Night light. Never had to put your date of birth in.
We just won 60.
How much did you win?
We're gonna go put it right to the card.
Wow, it's a party out here.
Robert! We saved you, old man. What? Oh, here's the boat. There's our mustard station. Mustard station. I got shrimp calamari. What'd you get?
Shrimp cocktail.
Ooh. What'd you get? Oh, yeah. What'd you get?
Cream of bacon tomatoes.
What do you think the best part of dinner is? I think it's the bread. Bread. What do you think it is? Do you think it's bread or the water? Or do you think it's the bread or the water?
The company.
Oh, that was sweet. Your mom got shrimp and rice. Dad and Jessica got, what is it? Maha. Mama. Fries too.
We actually started that machine with what, $10?
Yeah.
And we walked away with 60.
Okay, this is my favorite thing.
Waiting a year for this. Oh, there it is.
Ice cream.
Both of you.
I love shrimp.
Oh my god. This is the best thing in the world. There we go, graduation cruise for Jessica. How do you feel that you're a elementary school graduate?
Oh, pretty good.
Well, everyone, today was a long day. We drove a lot. So it's pretty early. What time is it?
It's 9:37.
It's only 9:37 and we're gonna head to bed.
Not me.
Not Jessica, she's gonna walk around a little, but it was a long day driving yesterday and then today.
I'll see ya.
Did you have fun today?
Yeah, I had fun.
Went to the comedy show. It was good. Jessica had a good time. It was funny. It was funny. What else did we do today? We walked around. We had a lot of food.
Welcome aboard.
It was just very tiring today. So tomorrow will be a better day.
You know, I lost some money in the casino.
Yeah, we lost some money in the casino, but we gained it back, so we're good. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below, and watch day 2 coming tomorrow.